Hey there YouTube, we're out here in the open desert today. It's a little bit breezy, but we're going to be shooting 50 yards, try some accuracy tests on some different ammo. I did a similar test a few weeks ago, but I forgot a rear rest, so some of the inaccuracy could have been very well on my part. But again, we're going to be at 50 yards, measured out by my Simmons rangefinder. We'll be shooting from an AR-15 Diamondback 10.5 inch barrel pistol, and it has a Simmons 6-24x50 scope on it. The ammo we're going to be testing today is going to be some Fiocchi VMAX, some Winchester jacketed hollow point, some American Eagle green tip, some American Eagle full metal jacket, some PMC full metal jacket, some Tulammo full metal jacket steel case, and some Wolf full metal jacket steel case. I don't remember right offhand what the weight of the bullets are, but hopefully when I edit this video at home, I'll try to put some annotation of what the bullet weights are. So anyway, there's our target, 50 yards away. First up is the Fiocchi VMAX. Let's go for the upper left circle. Next we have the Winchester jacketed hollow points. Let's go for the left bottom. Next is the American Eagle green tip. Let's go for the upper right. Next is the American Eagle full metal jacket. Going for the bottom right. Next we have the PMC full metal jacket, going for the upper left. Next we have the Tulammo full metal jacket steel case. Let's go for the bottom left. Next we have the Wolf ammo full metal jacket steel case, going for the upper right. So here are the results of the 50-yard test. As you can see, it's kind of windy out here, but that's the Fiocchi VMAX, the Winchester jacketed hollow points, the American Eagle green tip, American Eagle full metal jacket, the PMC full metal jacket, Tulammo full metal jacket steel case, and the Wolf full metal jacket steel case. I was hoping to do the 100-yard test today, but I am going to pass on it. It's just too windy. It's not going to be very accurate.